Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Intel is seeking an additional 4 billion to 5 billion euros in subsidies from the German government to move ahead with a chip manufacturing complex in the eastern part of the country, according to sources. Japan's big companies are expected to deliver the largest pay rise in 26 years in next week's Shunto wage negotiations, offering policymakers hope the country might finally emerge from its deflationary doldrums. Crypto lender Celsius Network, which is currently operating under bankruptcy protection, has established a crypto wallet with $25 million of digital assets for Celsius's custodial account holders to withdraw, blockchain intelligence firm Arkham Intelligence said in a report.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The French non-farm payrolls at 06:30 GMT. Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. Japan's producer price index at 23:50 GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.